Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about that how to serve images using the Node.js HTTP module, right? So for that, first of all, we need to import HTTP module like this. And after that, we created a server, basically with the help of this create server method. And then we made our server to listen to the port number 3000, right? And then there's a callback function like this, right? Now, there's a need of one more module that is file system. So we'll simply write const fs equals to require, put the bracket here, inside of this we write fs like this. Got it? Now after that, what we will do, we are going inside this create server, and here I'm saying that if we go on a particular URL, right, then I want to serve the file, image file. Here if you can see, I'm having this image.png. I'm going to show this. What is this? This is basically the logo of Razorpay. This image I want to show, right? So yeah, for that, let's say if request dot url equals to let's say slash image, right? Then in that case, fs dot read file, put the bracket here, and inside this we will write the name of our basically image file, right? So basically name or the path. So I have written the path, that is image.png. So that is image.png. And after that, what we will do, we will add a callback function. The callback function have two different parameters. One is error, and then is there's data, right? Now here we will write our logic that in case if we get any kind of error, in such particular case, you do what? You do response dot write head like this, and inside of this you tell that there is the status code of 404, and the content type is basically your text slash plain like this, right? And there is a response dot end, and inside of this image not found like this. Got it? So what we have done, that in case of any error, we are telling our browser that we are sending a text plain, and then in the response we are sending that a text basically, that is image not found. That's it. And after that, in case that there's no such error, then we will give the response as this data, which is particular image, right? So let's write that. So I'm going to say that response dot write head like this, put the bracket here. Inside of this we will write the status code of 200, right? And after that, let's give the content content type content type as image, since we are sending the image, right? And our image is basically a png image, so we'll write image slash png like this. Got it? Now after this, let's move to the next line, and we'll write response dot end, and inside of this we will send the data. That's it, like this. Can you see? Yeah. So this is basically the main line of code where we are actually doing the reading of the file, right? So we are reading this particular image.png file in the image route, and then we are showing that. That's it, right? And since here, put the else condition also with the main condition, that is uh, in case if we don't get the slash image, I want to show something. That's why I'm going to write here. Let's just copy it down here like this and paste it here, right? Here I'll say that the basically the content type as, basically make it text slash html, and inside this particular and we will just say what, that make a heading, that is h1 like this, and inside of this we'll write go to image, right? Go to slash image to see the picture. That's it, right? Go to slash image to see the picture like this, right? You can write anything that you want inside this HTML, right? I've just made it. Just save it. After saving, let's go to the terminal. Let's screen whatever is here. Yeah, now here I'm going to write a node script.js, press enter, and yes, our server is started at port number 3000. Let's go to the browser. Let's go to the browser, and here we will search our local localhost 3000. After that, slash image, right? Slash image, press enter, and you can see I got the image here, right? So by this, we actually serve the image using the Node.js HTTP module. And in case I go to some any other route, that is, let's write something and press enter. In that case, it is showing that go to slash image to see the picture. And yes, I will go to slash image to see the picture, right? And we got the image. And this is how we deal with it. So I hope you understood the concept very clearly. There's just a basic understanding of FS module is required, and yeah, with the help of this request.url we made it, right? So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, take care.